Hi everybody, Carson Grant, Comox Valley Dodge. Hope you're all doing well. We're here for our first annual CVD Cares community cleanup. We're going to go out and clean up some local parks of any hazardous waste and any other garbage. This is just our way of trying to give back to the community, and we live in such a beautiful place. So we welcome you to come along with us and take a look for the day. So we're heading to our first location, which is Sims Park. I thought of this idea. My brother he had his struggles, and he was homeless for quite some time, and I know the difficulties that he was dealing with, but also on the other side of it, I've got children, and I know that they play in the parks and whatnot, and we want to make sure that they've got a nice, safe place for them to enjoy and play, and don't need to be worried about getting hurt at all. So hopefully this message or this video will encourage other companies to do the same and do their part, and it'll make this community that much better. Hi guys, Carson here again with our little helpers, Madison and Charlie, and we're down here at the Courtney Air Park, our next cleanup. We just finished up at our first park, and we're really excited to make this difference, and like I said, we've got a beautiful community to live in, and we need to make sure that we're taking care of it. Hi everybody, we just finished up our first annual CVD Cares community cleanup. A big shout out to Nikki and Madison from the Comox Outreach group, as well as Jesse, and we had a couple of clients of ours that joined us as well. But it was a huge success. We managed to get through a lot of garbage and clean up some of those valuable parks here in the local area. We're going to continue to keep on doing this stuff and continue to give back to the community and clean up the community. So if you're interested, please keep on following us through social media, and you'll see our upcoming events. I greatly appreciate all your guys' support. Thank you, and have a great day.